Welcome back. It's art time class. Today I'm going over how you're going to view your art activities, fill out the form, and add an attachment to get the credit for all your work. Let's get started. So here I have our class, and already I see the assignment right here listed below, how to submit your artwork and writing. Once I click on that, it opens up here and I can see I need to watch a video, fill out the form, and for our writing assignment, it has some more details. It says, writing assignment may not be typed for art class. Students will practice penmanship, the art or skill of writing by hand. So that means you're going to need a paper and a pencil to do this. Use one or more vocabulary words. So I can use just one of these. If I'm a kindergartner, I might just practice writing out the word art or writing out some of the vocabulary words. That would be enough for a kindergarten student. If I'm in first grade, I probably need to write at least one sentence using at least one of these words. And if I'm a second grader, I challenge you to at least write 2 sentences using one or more words. And the different words is art, composition, line, shape, value, texture, color, space, and doodle. All right, well, I can click on the link right here to start watching the video. When I'm done watching the video, at the top corner it says done right up here, so I can click that when I'm done watching the video, and then I can fill out the form. I'll go ahead and open this up in Safari. Now when we're filling out this form, a lot of students are already doing this, but in case you're not, you need to capitalize your name. So for my example, I'm using the name Art Time, but you'll need to capitalize your first and last name. And then depending on what grade you are, you're going to click in the grade number. So let's say I'm in first grade. And then your homeroom teacher, you do need to capitalize your homeroom teacher's name as well. I'm putting the word class as my example. Then I click next. After this, I can rewatch the video here if I need to and answer the questions below. Which materials do I use for writing in art? Well, for art, technology might be an answer. Wall and paint, ooh, you definitely don't write on the wall with paint. That's a silly answer. Writing paper and pen or pencil. So writing paper is this type of paper with lines on it. Okay, that's definitely something we would want to use. Construction paper and markers is the last answer. You know, if I didn't have these materials and I only had construction paper and markers, that'd be okay. But ideally, we would want writing paper and pencil or pen. So I'm going to click on that answer and click next. Now it's time for the journal entry. So I need to spend somewhere between 5 and 15 minutes on this. Some students need more time to write, like you have an accommodation to give you extra time in the classroom to work on things. You guys spend as much time as you need, okay? You don't have to stop at 15 minutes. Some of us, it might not take that long, that's okay, but you could definitely spend more time on it if you want. But it should take at least 5 minutes to write. All right, so in my journal entry, the writing prompt is, what is your favorite something to doodle? So a doodle is a cute little piece of art, usually surrounded by notes. Like this right here, like this is a cloud with lightning bolts around it, and what is a little rainbow with a cloud at the bottom. That's supposed to be a doodle. Here's a flower pot with a doodle. Smiley faces are a doodle. Let's see what I want to put in my journal. So let's go to my next page. See, I have a few entries already. Let's go ahead and do this entry right here. So to start, I should probably put my name on this. And I'm using the name Art Time, but you need to put your name on this. You'll need to title your writing. So this is a doodle. What is your favorite something to doodle? So I'm going to put the title as Doodle, just because I like saying the word doodle. I think that's fun. And then over here, I need to add the date. Today's date that I'm recording this is August 26, 2020. All right. So now that I have this important pieces of information, I need to go ahead and write a complete sentence. Now remember, if you're a kindergartner, that might just be practicing writing out your name or writing out the title or writing out one of the vocabulary words. That's okay. You're a kindergartner. That's totally normal. You're still learning how to write letters and what they all sound like. Of course, you can just write one word. But first graders, I want to see if you can do a whole sentence. And it might just be a 3-word sentence, that's fine, but maybe, and I've already seen some first graders give me big kid sentences. Like, let's see what I'm going to put. My favorite something. What is your favorite something to doodle? My favorite. And look, I have the word spelled correctly right here, so I need to spell it correctly on my paper. My favorite something to doodle is the clouds and sunshine. Notice I use a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence, and I put punctuation at the end of my sentence. For my older students, I definitely expect to see those. So I'm now going to get to doodle a cloud with some sunshine. One of my favorite doodles to doodle is like a little bitty cloud. So it's like a little poofy poof poof. And then I like to do the sun like it's popping out from behind it. And I could give it like a really happy smiley face. So it's really happy. Because it's poking out from behind. And then, oh, what if I put little raindrops coming down? That could be really cute and fun. And because I have extra time for my writing, I might just doodle a little bit more. I could doodle a little bit less. That's really up to you guys. I want to doodle a duck at the bottom of my page. Like he's swimming around in a puddle of water from the cloud. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, he's a cute little duck. Quack, 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 quack. He's swimming in water right here below him. Yay, maybe there's a fish jumping out right here. Little fishy here. Jumping out. Yay! All right, so I'm done with my doodle and my writing. Now it's time to submit all that. So I can go ahead and close this. I'm going to click submit so the form is turned in. I don't have to worry about that anymore. I want to check my accuracy. Let's see how I did on the test. There's my name, information. I know it's all spelled correctly. And I got the question right. Yay! I got it right. All right, now that I'm done with that, go ahead and back up here. I'm going to click done. And I need to submit my artwork and my writing. So down here at the very bottom, I'm going to use this and swipe that up. I can also click on it to swipe it up as well. And here I need to add an attachment. When I click on add an attachment, since I haven't taken a picture, I'm going to use the camera. And I'm going to take a nice little picture of this right here. There it is. It looks so good. Oh, now I use photo. Click that right down here. Now it's going to take a moment to load. So happy smiley face son. All right, now that it's loaded, it's going to show up here. Here we go. I see it has that picture right there. I accidentally destroyed it. Let me take another picture. There it is. I can see my picture from earlier when I was doing a practice video. So if you do need to click on and have more than one picture, it will accept more than one. But I'm ready to turn this in. So see how it's loaded right there? So I'm going to click the turn in button. And then the final turn in button right here. Yay! So everything's turned in. I can see it right down here. Assignment turned in. And I'm good to go. Everything seems to be done. Voila! I did it. Let's check my classes. Look, it's not listed underneath anymore. I know it's all the way turned in and done now. Class, if you have any problems doing this, please feel free to reach out to me. I am there to help you. Okay? Until next time, keep being creative.